Okay, students, as we are going through the lesson natural trail, we are having one activity today. We are having some tickets in this jar, and each one of you will choose one ticket each, and those all tickets are categorized into 5 types: trees, animals, birds, insects, food items. And for each one group there will be seven tickets are there, and you will be choosing the tickets, and at last whenever I say start, you will look into your ticket. Then according to the group name you will form the groups. Whichever group will be formed first, that will be the winning group. Go and distribute the tickets fast. Okay, now all of you have chosen one ticket each. Now whichever group will be formed first, it will come here. Now all of you, 3, 2, 1, start. How many members? Wait. Animals, how many members? So animal group has formed first. So you are the winners.